I think that I'm feeling something similar. I'm just coming out of a few days of being ill and feeling very tired. And there's something about that, you can be very resistant to being with that and choose not to meditate or watch telly or something and do something else. But when I do sit down with that sort of experience, it's actually really beautiful to sit down with illness or sit down with tiredness and just really go right into it. So even, I don't know about you, but it's not that the illness goes away or the tiredness goes away, it's that I'm right with it. And so it becomes something different. It becomes not just, oh, there's something I don't want, something I'm really turning towards and sitting with, and it becomes almost mystical, the kind of intimacy with that feeling. And it can be anything. It could be heartache, it could be sickness, or flu, it could be weariness or fear or anxiety. But to actually sit right in it, in itself, that sort of empties out all the stories that Jane was mentioning. That when you're right in your tiredness, there's no space for stories about your tiredness. There's just this incredibly, almost weird intimacy with what is. And again, it's, as I was saying to Jane, on one level, it's incredibly simple. It's almost overwhelmingly simple. It just is. It just is this sensation. And it's almost too simple. we want to run away from it and turn it into a story, or go all jiggy with it and take it off into different directions. But actually just sitting right in the middle of any experience is simultaneously incredibly simple but devastatingly detailed.